Hey guys, good morning. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Rinske Douna and this is my art channel. So, in front of me I have this gorgeous canvas with this gorgeous background, and on top of that I will do again a Dutch pour. Of course, first I'll show you how I created this background and then let's start pouring. Yeah, loving this background. Here I'm using Prussian blue and violet, and I'm thinking let's do a similar color blowout as well. So a Prussian blue, violet, some white and some gold. So the gold will create more of the contrast in color. But also I do have this light turquoise, so I'm thinking it could be very beautiful on this painting. But I'm still on the fence about it. It's difficult. You know, let's start pouring first the Prussian blue and then go from there, one step at a time. Let's go. Okay, so I loved the movement it had in the other one, so let's go with that now as well. Oh, I don't have a lot of this color left. It's literally my last. Well, then I guess we need to use quite a lot of violet to let this blowout work. But first, let's go with just a little bit of white. Violet. Alright. Then a little bit of this. Yeah. Turquoise. Alright, I made up my decision. And then the gold. So I want to start blowing from here. Alright, well, I must say, super happy with my decision here, but we hardly can see the background now. Just here, just slightly there, not really. But that's unfortunate. Blowout is beautiful. Oh, I'm gonna torch this. These colors are amazing. yeah, just let this dry. It's now a week later, and to my surprise, this acrylic spray paint dried so gorgeously matte. And since this is quite a minimal painting, I thought let's create a contrast with matte and gloss. So I already varnished a layer of gloss varnish over only the Dutch pour part. I will do the second layer now as well, so it gives that really 3D effect in this painting. And I think I'm gonna frame this painting too. So I'm using High Gloss Acrylic Varnish by Amsterdam. And this is also listed in my website, and I love this varnish. It's super clear and it dries really high gloss. So I'll pour just a little bit of the varnish on top of the Dutch pour. Then I'm gonna take a flat small brush and I will just start brushing this gently over only the Dutch pour part. I can't wait to show you the end result with how glossy this is looking, and what a cool effect this is really. A dry Dutch pour on top of a spray painted background, and then for contrast gloss and matte surfaces. I did write an article, a blog, about how to varnish your acrylic painting as well. So if you want to learn more about that, then definitely go check that out. I will link it, of course, in the description, and as well the link to this varnish, because this comes very close to a resin finish really. Alright, well, this is beautiful covered. I will let this dry and of course show you the dried end result.